My kids and I are very close. And when I get home, if I'm tired, what'll happen is my son will come and, Dad, do you want a beer? Let's have a beer together, you know? Let's have a talk, or 15-minute chat or whatever. So he'll grab a beer for me and we'll have a beer together and talk, and all these little things that mean so much. And that's our family life, actually. That's how it is. Where I am right now, this is where the other gentleman's vehicle was. And the gentleman that was here, he was teaching his son how to park. So unfortunately for him, instead of hitting the brake, he hit the gas and went between two trees and missed all the other vehicles and hit the car that my son was actually driving. When I did get a call from my son, the first thing that went through my mind, is he okay? And then I asked him that question, are you okay? He says, yeah, because this was the first accident he's ever been in. And he explained everything to me, and I felt sort of a relief that everybody was okay. Once we got home, I phoned my broker. I faxed the police report that I had. And from there, it was Economical that got a hold of the file, and Ria phoned me, I guess within a couple of hours, asking what had happened. And then I asked Ria, okay, I will need a rental vehicle. And she said, it's set for you. That's how fast she's worked to get everything done. There was another accident, this time with my wife's SUV. And again, it was my son driving again, same son. A bus basically came and sideswiped him. So got all the information, and again, next morning I phoned, and lo and behold, it's Ria again that actually called me back, which was another good coincidence, and I knew I was in very good hands. You know, Ria actually was like a godsend, because she took it upon herself to do a lot of little things to get me on the road again. There was a lot done with Economical that I didn't expect, and it was way beyond my expectations actually for what they have done.